The tremendous biodiversity found in Cyprus can be attributed to the island's location at the meeting point of 3 continents: Asia, Africa, and Europe. Though this biodiversity can be encountered pretty much anywhere on the island, it is also concentrated in certain special places. The man-made Asprokremos Reservoir is near full capacity. Swollen by the heavy rains of the previous winter, the Xeros River has boosted the dam's water levels. In the shallow waters at the top end of the reservoir, where the Xeros forms a delta, heron species, such as the purple heron and night heron, gather to feed on the abundant frogs and other aquatic organisms. The open water of the main body of the reservoir attracts other water birds, mainly ducks, but also cormorants, which feast on the fish this artificial wetland is stocked with. Surrounding the reservoir are steep hills and cliffs, with scattered trees and low scrub, an ideal habitat for birds of prey, such as this pair of Bonelli's eagles scouring the land for prey. These same cliffs are also seldom without a chouka partridge, declaring its presence with a characteristic cackling call. A bit further along, a male kestrel is focusing his gaze on a small lizard, destined to end up as food for the falcon's young, waiting in the nest high on the cliffs.